Okay, I'm gonna do a quick no frills handle demo. It'll be a little awkward because I'm just gonna shoot this with the tripod in front of me, but we'll see how this goes. Okay, first start out with a golf ball sized piece of clay, squish it into an ugly carrot. Okay, roll it into a tidy carrot. Then I'll kind of pick the end off. Sometimes there's a little air bubble in there. Okay, find a dry spot, throw it down, flip it over, find another dry spot, throw it down. Okay, and don't whip it. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the soft part of my hand, kind of squish it down just to round the top. I'm not really smashing it too much. And then I'm gonna give it a little bit of a grip at the top. Nothing crazy, just a little bit of a grip. I'm gonna dip the handle. Okay. Move the bucket a little closer here. All right, so remember we have the alligator. Okay, that's gonna flatten the handle. We have the OK, which is gonna taper the handle this way. A mini OK that will kind of shape the top of the clay, or around the back of the clay here. And then what I call the sock puppet, which is kind of using that kind of crook of my thumb there to kind of like pull it. Make sure that you're constantly rotating it, turning it around like that as you pull it, and you want to make sure that you do quick pulls. I'm actually going to roll this up just a little bit so we can see quick pulls, rotating it, doing mostly OKs right now. Now a little sock puppet or alligator to flatten it. Okay, some tiny OKs to kind of shape, to kind of round the surface a little bit. Okay, when I get it to about here, what I'm going to do is I kind of cradle the clay and I zip down it with my thumb on either side. Some people go down right down the middle. I like to do it so there's a ridge. Okay, you can pull it. So sometimes when you pull it, it'll kind of curve like that. If you want it to not curve, I don't know if you can see that curve there. It kind of curves that way. Just turn it around and pull it again and it'll straighten out. Okay. And then once you're done, you can lay it down on a piece of newspaper or put a little stuff on the top and then squish it straight down onto a table. Kind of hanging off. I can't do that right now because I'm using a tripod, but that's basically it. You kind of want it to be, you know, about as thin as your cup. I like mine to have a taper. If you don't want it to have a taper, then roll a straight coil instead of a tapered coil. But that's pretty much it. Yeah, thanks for watching.